Accoje, Vital in Jeju, Time Repair Serum, 50 ml. Product Overview. Description. Repair Serum contains red beet, a superfood found in Jeju that promotes clean and clear skin by repairing and moisturizing damaged skin, making it smooth to the touch. Other ingredients: water, glycerin, butylene glycol, niacinamide, cyclopenta siloxane, 1,2-hexadiol, cyclohexasiloxane, betaine, silica, cetearyl olivate, sorbitan olivate, dimethicone, pentaerythrityl tetraethylhexanoate, sodium polyacrylate, beta vulgaris, beet, root extract, sodium acrylate, sodium acryloyldimethyl taurate copolymer, polyisobutene, tocopheryl acetate, camellia sinensis seed oil, citrus lemon, betel oil, glycerol polyacrylate, dipotassium glycosate, opuntia olive fruit extract, aloe barbadensis leaf extract, camellia sinensis leaf extract, citrus junose fruit extract, citrus paradisi, grapefruit, fruit extract, eucalyptus globulus leaf extract, Eugenia carophyllus, clove, flower extract, Zephora angustifolia root extract, adenosine, copolyl glucoside, disodium EDTA, phenoxyethanol, chamomilla recutita, matricaria, flower oil, citrus orandifolia, lime, oil, eucalyptus globulus leaf oil, juniperus mexicana oil, lavandula angustifolia, lavender, oil, pelargonium graveolens flower oil, rosmarinus officinalis. Rosemary, leaf oil. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.